Hi friends, today our topic is about the gaseous exchange in plants. For gaseous exchange, there are two processes in the plants which require the gases to complete. One is photosynthesis, other is cell respiration. The photosynthesis is a process in which green plant needs a supply of carbon dioxide and they dispose of oxygen in this process. While the other process is cellular respiration, in this plant needs oxygen and they will dispose of carbon dioxide. The cell respiration in plants is same as the cell respiration process in occurs in the animals, but in plants there are not specialized organs or cells for this process, and there are several reasons why there are not specialized organs in the plants. One is each part of the plant take care of its own gaseous exchange needs. It, and although plant have an elaborate liquid transport system, it does not participate in the gas transport because for cellular respiration gaseous exchange is required, while in plants is a liquid transport system. Other is root stem and leaves respire at rates much lower than their characteristic of animal, because animal respire more rapidly than the plants. Only during photosynthesis a large volume of gaseous exchange, and each leaf is well adapted to take care of its own need for the photosynthesis process to complete. The distance that gases must diffuse in even a large plant is not great. There is a small distance between the plant main surface and the plant part where the gas is required to use. Each living cell in the plant is located too close to the surface. While this video we will learn about transpiration and factor affecting the transpiration. First of all, what is transpiration? Transpiration is an evaporation of water from the plants. It occurs chiefly at the leaves where their stomata are open for the passage of carbon dioxide, oxygen and water vapors during the photosynthesis process, but air is not fully saturated with water vapors. 100% relative humidity will dry the surfaces of the cell which come in contact. So the photosynthesizing leaves loses a substantial amount of water by evaporation, which is called transpiration. This transpired water must be replaced by the transport of more water from the soils to the leaves through xylem of root and stem. The transpiration is not simply a hazard for plant life. It is the engine that pulls water from the roots to the supply photosynthesis. 1 to 2% of the total, bringing minerals for the roots from the roots for photosynthesis and biosynthesis within the leaves. Cool the leaves. All these are the uses of water which is transpired. The using of photometer, one can study the effect of various environmental factors on the rate of transpiration. As water is transpired or otherwise used by the plants, it is placed from the reservoir on the dry. This pushes the air bubble to the left, providing a precise measure of volume